Hello everyone, my name is Billy Longfellow. I am VP of Design for Air Design USA. Welcome to this training session.
I like the air design products because not only do they fit well, it flows with the whole body. The lines go well with the products. I don't have, I've never ever had to worry about fitment with your products. We've tested them going cross country with the events that we do. Tested them in the extreme heat, El Paso, and they are daily vehicles.
For the wheel and tire and flare setup, we've gone with Air Design's fender flares. They have this patented super bolt you've heard me talk about many times before. But if you haven't heard about it, you really got to check it out. What it does is it threads into stainless steel screw, threads into a brass thread attached to a foot, that rubber foot, that is stuck with automotive grade adhesive to the body at all of these points. That reduces or eliminates the flare, this rubber gasket, from sanding through that sand through your paint, as competitive fender flares do. We like it also because it has the integrated mud guard and the nice coverage with this, gone with a -25, 20-inch, 20 by 10-inch wheel and a negative 25 offset, together with a 12.5 by 37 by 20 Falcon Wild Peaks. You got a perfect fitment. Nice and flush with the body panel, not sticking out from the fender wells. Your body is going to be completely protected.
So Air Design designs parts and pieces that fit like a glove, such as the wheel flares you're going to get on your Jeep. The cover that fits up here, it's interlocked, no water, no mud, rust, nothing happened. This is a complete washout clean system because they're forward-thinking people. All right, again, you can see how clean the wheel wells look and how the one piece fits in there and keeps it all dry and clean. Zero rust factor. These people got it down pat. Now we're going to move on to the Bronco. The Bronco has two different wheel flares. You have a solid smooth wheel flare, fits good, and everything for Air Design fits good. They don't do a half job, trust me. All right, and their body side molding fits good here. So if people open the car door against you, they're going to knock this, not your truck. Very important factor. You're also the smooth flare on the front. It's lipped, it's sealed, and it fits good. Now, Air Design built a special hood scoop, a one-piece hood scoop for the hood of this truck. Outstanding. When you're sitting in the truck, it really adds a lot of profile to the truck here. Let's go around the other side so I can show you the second set of wheel flares. This is forward-thinking people. If you want to do off-road or have an off-road look, there you go. You got it. And notice the cutout for the door. So again, it fits like a glove. Air design at its best. So if you're going to do off-roading, you notice how far the wheel sticks out, how far the fender sticks out. It keeps all the mud and mess contained. It doesn't go all over your brand new $110,000 vehicle.
Hello everyone, my name is Bernie Chacon and this is my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. I'm rocking the Air Design fenders. Awesome OEM fitment. My favorite part is the integrated mud flaps. Everything bolts on really smooth, very nicely, and it complements the vehicle really well, especially with the 35-inch Toyo tires, and just gives it an aggressive, clean look. So thank you very much, Air Design, for having me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chantel Ballo, and I'm here at SEMA 2018 with my 2016 Chevy Colorado. I have the full body kit by Air Designs, which I absolutely love. Installation was very simple. I love the whole kit that comes with it. It definitely makes the truck more aggressive, especially when it's lifted and it has the off-road look to it. So I'm very happy that I have it. It's a great product. It definitely makes the Colorados look different than from a stock one. I highly recommend it to anybody who has a Colorado, and hopefully you enjoy it just as much as I do.
We got plenty of new products. As you can see behind us, we got 5 new vehicles. We've got a brand new Mach-E with our new Ford accessory kit on it. Launching our brand new carbon fiber spoiler. Air Design's moving into the EV world too. This has got like Air Design's little front spoiler on the front. It's got side skirts, it's got some rear diffusers, and also we'll talk about, I'll show you later in this video about our new technology, overmolded carbon fiber that we have a patent on. You can see that this gloss black kit, you know, with the white Mach-E makes a very nice looking kit. You know, it's got the difference between the gloss black and the paint. It really pops out. You can see how subtle the kit is. I think it's a really nice looking kit. We're very excited about moving into this platform, as obviously it's all over the news and it's kind of the future. Everybody's going EV. So one of the things we're very excited about is this new carbon fiber spoiler. This has got a brand new technology. It's called overmolding. As you can see, it's very flexible. So it's real carbon fiber. On the inside, it's overmolded with a soft eraser urethane. And also it's got 3M tape. On the inside that has a polyurethane glue. So when this thing installs on your car, it is not going any place. This is a 22 Silverado behind us. You can see this is the first time the public or anybody here has seen our new bumper guard for the 22. This is kind of unique. It's basically, it wraps all the way around into the wheel well. It's a satin black, and this is satin silver. It's a very robust paint. You're gonna have no problem for barring up. You just take a little bit of instant detailer, wipe it off. The satin silver and the black are basically the same paint. They're just 2 different colors. Goes on with tape and glue. As you can see, this is the new redesigned 22 Silverado. So this is the first time that everybody here has seen this. So it's a very looking truck. We're very excited about launching this here at the 22 SEMA show.
I think I've said it before in the past. It's I consider you guys OEM plus because it's It's products that are aftermarket, but that you could actually envision coming off the Ford line. That can coming off, you know, the Toyota line, because it goes so well with the factory lines of the vehicle, and the fitment is as perfect as you could possibly get.
Oh, thank you.
I wouldn't use Air Design on my product with my name unless I knew it was good. I mean the best. Fit and finish has to be the best. Magnificent design. Again, it's the forward thinking that these people have. And that's why I do business with them. That is why I do business with them.